Go. Blow, blow. Blow, girl. Blow, 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 blow. Nope, you're gonna have to blow harder than that, girl.
Yeah, blow harder. Well, what else do you want me to say, cow? There she blows.
It'll be a black Mercedes-Benz, no plates, no placards. Hello. Hi, I'm Officer Khalif with the Mandan Police Department. The reason why I stopped you is because is there a reason why you're going 39 and a 25?
No.
No?
Well, let me ask you a question, officer. Is there a reason why you pulled her over on the side of the road next to a tunnel? On a busy road? It's a bit weird.
No.
I see.
Honestly, wasn't paying attention.
Okay.
So when I used to live here, it was like 20. It was 25, but whenever I used to live here, there was, I don't know, a lot of things have changed.
Did you also slur your words back then? What? English, am I right?
Like, there's a new stop sign up on fucking University Drive. There's a bunch of new things since I've lived here. I'm so sorry.
All right. Have you had anything to drink tonight?
I have. I've had a drink, but
Okay.
it hasn't really been like, I just left my house. Like, I just left my house.
Well, you were hauling ass to your house, and then you were hauling ass back from your house, so...
Was I?
Yeah, you were. Was there a reason why you have an open box of Trulies in your front seat?
Arrest her! What are those?
I just came from the bar.
Okay.
I mean, yes, obviously I've been drinking, but I haven't been drinking these Trulies. I just picked them up from my house. My house is back there. So I wasn't, like, drinking and driving with them. I was drinking a little bit beforehand, but I wasn't, like, drinking and driving.
Do you mind doing a couple of tests for me to show that you are capable of driving and you're not under the influence?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I don't worry about that.
Okay. Why don't you go ahead and just step out? I'm just gonna have you step to the back seat of my car. Okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna run an eye test on you. Okay. You actually, can you put that vape back in your car?
What the hell?
Yeah.
There's two of you.
No, just put your vape back in your car. You don't need it right now. Okay.
Pokehead!
Bear!
What was that noise? Whose footprint is it?
Yeah, I know. We're gonna step to the back seat of my car, okay, on the passenger side. If you could just go on the passenger side, I'm just gonna run an eye test on you. Go ahead, take a seat.
What is with the weird random noises she makes? Also, don't you mean...
Bear!
Indeed.
Oh my god, what the fuck is so cool?
Yeah, I know. So I'm gonna have you face me, okay?
Okay.
And I want you to... Are you ready?
No.
Okay.
Wait, can we shut this door? Can you, like, do it from the front?
No, I can't, unfortunately, okay? So what I'm gonna do, just put your feet out and face me. At least it's a little bit warm. I mean, it's warmer than what it would be out here, okay? With your eyes in your eyes only.
Bear!
Actually, come out just a little bit more. I'm gonna actually have you stand out here, okay?
Okay.
Follow the tip of my finger with your eyes in your eyes only. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. I know it's cold out here, girl. Okay? Okay? Still, I know, it's cold out. I get it. Still following with your eyes in your eyes only. Do not move your head, okay?
Okay.
You know, I can't be sure of this, of course, but the moment they hear it's cold, they turn into this. But only after the officer says, it's cold, huh? I sense a conspiracy. Yep.
It's gonna be real uncomfortable, but don't move your head, okay?
I'm used to uncomfortable.
Yep. Okay.
Alright, what's with the weird random noises?
Okay. Alright, still following with your eyes in your eyes only. Don't move your head, alright?
I got you.
Okay. Go ahead, take a seat. You don't have anything on you or anything like that, right?
No.
Nothing that you're not supposed to have?
No.
Okay, alright. Just hang tight. I have a couple of things that I'm gonna read to you, alright?
Wait, for what?
Huh? What's that? For what? Can't say I expected that one. I was more in the market for way, you know? Or perhaps in what? Calm down, Carl. We can't say that. That's just rude.
It's an implied consent advisory for the screening test, and it's a PBT. It's a breathalyzer test. Okay.
Yes, of course.
Of course.
Yep.
But there's a limit as to
What's the legal limit?
0.08.
Yep, you're right. Okay, so if you're above that, then you know what's going to happen, right?
I mean, yes, I'm aware,
Okay.
but can I grab my stuff out of my car beforehand?
Just give me a second, okay? And I'll read.
I mean, I just moved back to, so I'm not really used to rules.
Yep.
Like,
Rules? What, you mean you can't drive drunk? That's a law. Some might say an international law.
I literally just moved back a few months ago.
Okay.
Even on my tags, everything, like, you can see that I'm just moving back from Nevada. So,
Okay.
yes, I know the rules, of course, as to everybody else that knows each individual rule when you come into each city. But
So what, you can drive drunk where you're from? I don't believe you.
I'm not really used to the rules that are applied here.
Uh-huh. And contrary to popular belief, I don't like to repeat myself, but I don't believe you.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm cold.
No, you're fine. That's why I'm going to close the door and then I'm going
to... the rules.
Okay.
I'm just not applied... Like, I'm not used to being applied to all the rules. Like, I just got stopped, I want to say, last week for my tint.
Okay.
And I told them the same thing, was like, I was stopped last week for my tint. I have to get it rearranged. I have to get it resubmitted. I have to...
Yep.
do a lot of other things
So
with my
just
car.
because it's so cold outside, I want to keep the hot air in. So I'm going to close the door for just a moment and then grab that piece of paper and read it to you. Okay? So just hang tight.
You want to keep the hot air in, huh? Yeah, that's all she's blowing. Hot air. Also, she's gonna blow something else. Hey, you guys come to fuck... I run a family fucking friendly show here. Everyone knows that. No one respects it, though. See? Also, don't think I didn't notice the...
Door slam.
Okay, so this is going to be an implied consent advisory screening test. I'm going to read it to you. You can ask the questions after the fact, okay? Do you consent to a PBT test?
That's the alcoholizer? Alcohol breathalyzer?
Yep.
No, ma'am. I like alcoholizer. You know, you already had that at the bar, so good job alcoholizing yourself. Now you gotta do the breathalyzer. Stinky.
Yep, that's the first one for the screening test. Do you want to do it?
I can do it, yeah.
Okay, perfect. So fresh tube. I'm gonna put this tube on my machine and then we'll take the test, okay?
I'm sorry. I'm like buckled in by a strap that's not even buckled me in.
Yeah, no kidding.
Freezing my butt cheeks out.
Nope, I definitely understand. So when I give you the go to blow into this tube,
That needs to be official lingo. You get the go to blow. What can I say, Carl? I'm easily amused.
you're gonna give me a nice steady flow of air, okay? You're not gonna, don't blow too hard, don't blow too soft, all right?
Okay.
So you can go ahead until I tell you to stop. Ready? Go. Blow, blow. Blow, girl. Blow, 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 blow. Nope, you're gonna have to blow harder than that, girl. Okay?
Okay.
Ready? Go. Blow, 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 blow. You really need, like you're blowing up a balloon, okay? Because
So like I'm at the hospital and they're trying to check my lung pressure.
yeah, kind of like that, okay? Ready?
Hold on one second.
Well, I guess this is a whole other take on I can't breathe.
Ready? Blow. Blow, blow. Now you're just messing with it. I'm going to take it as a refusal.
What's
Okay.
that? What's wrong?
You're not giving me enough air, okay? And right now
I
it's
just
showing
gave
that nope, you're not.
I just got
And
out
I
of
can
the
chalk this
hospital.
up.
I can't help you more than what you want to be helped. Like I literally just got out of the hospital.
Okay, so I'm gonna grab a new tube. Can you grab me a new tube out of there, please?
As much as I can give you.
Well, I mean, at this point, I mean, if you're gonna mess with it, then I'm gonna take it as a
No, I'm not
refusal.
messing with it, but
And
what I'm saying
then
is, like,
your license will be suspended, and then we'll all go from there.
I vape and I fucking smoke weed, so I have popcorn lung. The point is like, even in the hospital, I couldn't blow as much as they wanted me to blow. So you're gonna make me cry.
Oh no! Oh, you know what that means, officer? You gotta let her go. I mean, I didn't expect this. I didn't expect the for what. I guess we have a classic case of dipshittery going on here.
I'm not making anybody do anything. So here's the thing. So it doesn't take a whole lot of air. You need as much to blow up a balloon. All right. That's what I'm asking of you. And if you're not doing it, then I'm going to chalk it up to a refusal and take you to jail for a DUI refusal. Okay.
Well, I understand what you mean, officer, but DUI refusal means she is not driving drunk, right? Driving under the influence refusal. That's, I mean, it's weirdy bits that kind of don't make sense, but, carry on. You know, I get distracted real quick. This was one of those.
And then your license will be suspended. You won't have any driving privileges, and you won't be able to drive your car. It's a nice, fancy car.
I mean, I understand that.
All right. So I have a fresh new tube here.
Oh, imagine that, a new tube on YouTube.
Okay, we're gonna do this again. Same thing. I need you to give me a nice, steady flow of air. Okay, ready? Go. Blow, blow, girl. Blow, 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 blow.
Why'd you take it away?
You're not doing it. You have a couple more tries.
Really? You know, over in the rest of the world, if they refuse to do it correctly 3 times, that's it. I know you guys are new to this, but come on.
Okay? And this, I'm telling you, this is not gonna look good for you. Okay? Ready? You're gonna have to blow. Give me a nice steady flow of air.
Wait,
See, you're able to blow in and out there, right?
Ha, got her.
Go. Blow, 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 blow. Let's do this one more time.
Yes, let's do this one more time. Let's just do this the entire evening, you know? We got nothing else to do. What happened to the cold?
This is the last chance that you get, girl. Ready? Blow. Blow, 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 blow. No. See, this is not what we're gonna do, okay? Go ahead, hop out. Hop out.
for what?
Well, as it turns out, she's turned into a full-blown for water. Hey, go to the pop a little bit. I don't do
No, go ahead. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. All right. Do you have someone that can come and get your nice fancy car?
Yeah.
You do? Okay. Who do you have that can come and get your fancy car?
My mom.
Your mom? Do you have your phone that you want to grab out of the car?
Yes.
Well, to be fair, officer, the real question is, does she have a fancy phone?
Okay. All right. Do you have anything on you that's going to stick, poke, or hurt me? Headquarters 276. This is going to be DUI refusal. Okay. Go ahead. Stand right here. I'm just going to patch you down right quick, okay? Just gloves.
Just gloves.
Okay. And some cash. Go ahead. Take a seat. Where's your phone at in your car?
It's in my passenger seat.
Okay.
Or in my driver's seat.
And where are your keys?
Were they not in my pockets? They
No.
might be in the very front pocket in the front of the car.
Okay.
Oh, I guess I'll have to take it back then. Her car has pockets. Now that, right there, is rather fancy, isn't it? Well, I guess we have a fancy door slam.
Thank you.
Yeah, don't worry about it. Over.
If I knew that she was going to sound like some f***ing anime chick, I wouldn't have. Jesus, man.
What? Huh? An anime chick. Not just any anime chick, a fucking anime chick. Ma'am, I run a family-friendly show here.
I know, it smells like fucking weed in here, but like big time.
Here's her, what she smokes out of.
I don't fucking care, to be honest with you. I really don't care.
Yeah. Bunch of shake on the wall.
Well, calm down, officer. You almost slapped a fancy out of that car. With that, wait for it. Door slam.
Okay, which phone is yours? Are both of them yours?
Yes.
Both of them are?
Yes. ma'am.
Okay, and then I have your keys and whatever
That's
else.
not my wallet. But those are my keys. Yes. That's
Okay, whose wallet is this, and where's yours? Do you want to bring your wallet or no?
Shit. No.
Give me your keys.
I have more cash on me than I do in my wallet.
Okay, so you don't want to bring your wallet?
No, my mom can get me out.
'Kay.
My wallet can't.
All right. Okay, all right. Well, your bond is going to be $800, okay?
That's okay. Brr, fuck. Can I use my phone to call somebody for bond?
Yep, at the jail.
Okay. Can I at least get my mail?
What? No. No, you can't even. I know, but you can't even bring that to the jail with you.
Can I at least hit it now in the back seat?
No.
I wonder what's in that vape. She keeps making weird noises.
But on the right side, no one's on my vape.
No one.
I am 21.
Yeah, you can, but it's not allowed in the jail.
Was that my chain?
Huh?
Was that my chain?
No, that's young Doff.
Well, she wasn't obnoxious, just very dangerous on the road. Holy hell, I mean, at some point. You kind of want to be a fly on the wall in the car, huh? She's driving around and then she goes, meh, when someone honks at her or, you know, overtakes her. Because, well, she was driving pretty fast, so maybe she's overtaking them and then goes, boom, because cars, well, in her mind, make that sound. Maybe she's I don't understand these people. Remember to think about all things around and now. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Prepare yourself for another video tomorrow about the same lady for her failure to appearing in court. And prepare yourself for a compilation of noises.
Shit.
All right. Okay.